In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if a word is trademarked. This applies to a word, a phrase, a logo. I'll walk you through step by step. So first of all, you can just come to Google and search USPTO, and that's the abbreviation for the Trademark Office. Come to the official United States Patent and Trademark Office website. So click on the first one. And what you can do is come to Trademark and go to search our trademark database and click on this trademark search system. And this is where you can enter the word or phrase that you want to search for. You can select this drop down and you could select word mark. And then in the search box, you can type in the word or phrase that you want to check if it's trademarked. So in this case, let's check for the word yogaholic. And then you want to click search. So as you can see here, 3 results actually came up, but they have been expired. As you can see, the status is dead or canceled. So there seems to be not an active trademark on it. So what you can do is to uncheck dead and make sure that the live button is checked. That will give you the registered trademark results and also any pending trademark results. So as you can see, there's no results that is found and only the expired ones that has the trademark on this word. So this word seems to be good. And let me search for another term so I could show you a live result, what it looks like. So let's just do yoga. So when a trademark is live and registered, this is what you'll see under the status. So for this specific word mark, we have the @ symbol and then the word yoga. So this specific word is trademarked. So this is how you can search to see if a word or a phrase is trademarked. So next I'll show you how to apply for a trademark if that's something that you want to do. So the way that I do it is that I use a website called Busy. They used to call it InkFile. And this is the website. I'll put the direct link in the description down below. This is what I used when I filed my own trademark, and my experience with Busy has always been really great every time I use them. As you can see here, they have really high ratings. So what's good about Busy with filing trademark application is that they only charge a flat fee plus a filing fee. So you know exactly what to expect in terms of the fee that you're going to pay. And they make the process really easy. And when you come down here, you'll see exactly what's included. You get legal counsel from an experienced trademark attorney. They will do a thorough search of the existing trademarks for you. And they'll also prepare and file the trademark application on your behalf. So this is the typical process. You would just let them know exactly what you need in terms of the trademark. And then the attorney will contact you to provide any guidance that you may need. And then they will conduct a trademark search to ensure that it's available. And they'll provide you with the search results along with a plan of action. And the last step, they will file the application with the trademark office. So overall, it's a very simple and seamless process. I personally had a good experience with it. So if you are looking to trademark a name or your brand, I would definitely recommend you to check out Busy.